Here's what customers are saying about Davis & Green.
We've used Davis & Green for our electrical needs since 2004, and since then we've used them for numerous projects, first building our house, then installing a generator, and since then I've even had them work on a lot of my rental properties.
First job we did with Davis & Green was some small work throughout our manufacturing plant. The first big job we did was a 5,000 square foot freezer project, which was the biggest project my company's ever done. And we were absolutely thrilled with the results. Everything went smooth, on time, and they actually consulted with us to make sure we got exactly what we needed to make the project work.
When Hurricane Irene rolled through and our entire neighborhood lost power, we didn't. We had a Davis & Green installed generator. Since that time, we've referred Davis & Green and their generator services to numerous friends and family so they wouldn't be left in the dark.
Through our work with Davis & Green, what we found out is that we can really trust them to do the job right the first time. What we've learned is that not only do we get all of our requirements met, but when we don't have to go back and redo work, it really makes a big difference. Likewise, they know our facility, they've taken the time to understand our needs and the complexities around food manufacturing, which a lot of other companies don't understand, but they took the time to understand how we operate and what we need.
Whenever Davis & Green comes to do work for us, we know that it's been done right the first time. The company's been around for over 20 years and they're Class A certified. Now that I have children, anytime the electricity is in play, it's not something to mess with. And I feel comfortable knowing that an experienced professional company like Davis & Green has been there to do the work.
Probably the biggest aspect about Davis & Green working with us is that there's a level of trust. Is a safety issue, knowing that my people are going to be safe, reliability, knowing that our equipment is going to be wired properly, and also that their technicians being in our facility, that I feel comfortable them being there. Like I said, I feel like they're a part of our team and a part of my company, and they understand how we operate, and I just think that's amazing. And these days, to have a company that you can trust and that you can work with and that are honest, that goes a real long way.
Whenever Davis & Green has come to our house, they've always been prompt, courteous, and very professional. And I very much appreciate that when they come, not only do they explain to me what they're going to do and how long it should take, but sometimes they even offer examples of other things that I may want to consider. For instance, when we were building our house, they gave us the idea of the in-tile floor heating system, which was something my wife and I had not thought of, but proved to be a great addition.
I would enthusiastically recommend Davis & Green to any of my friends or business associates, and I've actually done that before. It just takes all the guesswork out of electrical work. Having the right people doing the right work, it helps.
Don't be left in the dark. Call Davis & Green today.